No, we had a great lunch and learn today. We had about 15 individuals show up from all walks of life, individuals that are looking to be able to expand their operations into a commercial kitchen. We partnered with the Department of Health and we rolled out exactly the kitchens that we have, which is Bethel and Pathways, in which we lease outright.
BEDC Commercial Kitchen Program is a great program. They've partnered with us and it's worked well. So the Ministry of Health, we are involved in the program as inspectors. If there's an individual that would like to use the facility, they will contact us. The BEDC have sourced different kitchens that are underutilized to assist individuals that can use these kitchens to further their businesses or maybe start a new business.
We talked about our Bermuda College kitchen, which is coming along in July in terms of the renovation that we're doing there in partnership with the college. BEDC is continuing to be able to provide economic development opportunities, especially in this food service space. And I think we got a tremendous number of thoughts today about how we can take it to the next level.